Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe.
It's time! Did you miss me? We're gonna go to Action and pick up a few things because I'm gonna have a girls' night tonight. I don't know exactly what I want to pick up, but we're gonna see. Not too much on the hair, huh? I woke up today, took off my bonnet, I was like, yeah, I'm going out just like this. Let me just explain you guys what's going on. I was supposed to get these things like days ago, but because of the amount of schoolwork, I cleaned last night. I cleaned the house last night. It looks spotless. And now I just have to put back a few things, put back these things, just set up, take a shower, fix up my hair a little bit. I mean, maybe it don't look that crazy. Does it look crazy? Just a little bit, it look crazy just a little bit, or maybe a lot, but maybe let me just be delusional for once. So let me show you guys, let me just get into it. And then later on we're gonna go ice skating, so I'm excited about that. I just got paintbrushes. I got this set because it have small paintbrushes, and I got this one because it has bigger paintbrushes, so we'll see. But then it's glittery. I got paper plates to put the paint on. I got cups for water and mixing. I got to place castor oil, some soap. I got a lot of soap actually. I also got gift wrapping paper. I have a few more gifts for that. Lights, Christmas lights. Actually, I wasn't gonna decorate for Christmas. I don't have a tree or anything like that. But I was like, you know, I'm gonna put some lights. I think it'll be cute. I got this. This is what I got for a snack. One of the snacks. I got this one. Other cleaning stuff. Using scents, some scented oil scents. I was like, actually use this for my humidifier because I need to use it and I don't use it because I don't like the scents that I have. Listen, I shower a lot. Okay? Yeah. Some more soap. And these are the canvases. These are the canvases basically. And a broom. I make the most doting. This thing is freaking clear. I thought it was oh, this just ruined my plans. OMG, what am I supposed to do with this? I think I'm gonna have to buy more. This is Anna. Hi guys. This is my twin. Let me show you guys the setup. Okay, so this is snacks. We just ordered food. Oh, wait. Okay, this is the snacks. And then this is a paint situation. We still have to, you know, that's a little prep. You know this song? Mm-hmm. Oh, you sing? I don't know this song. Where mine has come so far with the flowers. I don't know what this is. No. It's a trust the process type of situation. Yes. And we got food. So can I open it? I was gonna take it back if you didn't, to be honest. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so you show you guys where we go. These are new, what do you call these?
The Jordans, the
Nike Jordans?
Yes.
Fire. Look at it. I'm looking nice and clean, you know? Okay, your turn now.
Big knees.
Your turn. I am not going to do this workout. Yeah.
I don't know, I feel like taking this. How are we pushing it?
Yeah, you go all the way. So you cover all the surface and then you will make the boards so it holds things. I'm gonna make a couple of videos. So just so you know. This is good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so she wanna tell me what I can do and what I can't do.
I mean, like to put it.
Okay.
Do I need the paper?
You guys, you can't even see me. That's crazy. Oh, my battery's also dying. Hold on.
I thought it was a car. Yeah, but she dying.
Okay, guys. Yo, this light is crazy. This is my cake. It's a snowflake. Was not the intention, but I can't wait to go home. Can't wait to go home and eat it. This is his cake. It actually looks really good. I ain't gonna lie to yourself. Nike, the check never lies. So, experience. How would you rate it 1 out of 10?
That was nice, man. I just feel like I wish it would have been better if there was a younger crowd. Even though they did have younger people, and don't get me wrong, the younger people definitely were cool, but like
I don't think they wanted to be there. It's because their mom was there, or like the sister wanted to be there or something, or their aunt. But yeah, it was nice. Gabby was the only guy besides her boyfriend. But you know what?
That was her boyfriend?
That was her boyfriend.
I thought that was her brother.
But you know, they probably thought we were brother and sister until I sat in your lap, to be honest.
Wait, what happened with that? What you was gonna say?
I was gonna say, when we left, he was like, it was so nice to have you. I was like, he was probably like excited to see another guy.
Lower lip bite.
Anyways, we're gonna... Guys, let's taste the cakes. I'm so excited. So let me show you guys mine again. It looks kind of sad, but it's okay. Ready? I was not expecting that at all.
Is this good?
Yeah, I didn't expect... Okay, so this is chocolate. They have like chocolate crunch stuff. chocolate like mousse, like a filling. Let me show you. And I think caramel. She made like the caramel. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I think. Well, you can't really see it, but let me take another. Oh shoot. And his one is vanilla.
It has caramel inside.
Yours have caramel too? Okay. And he did it so good, like really good.
I don't know, but it's so good.
Yeah, like the shape. Oh yeah, he has a buttercream like filling.
You're not good?
Mine is way better. I'm sorry. It's a no for me. Oh my god. But I don't think I'll be able to finish it. But I'll finish it, but not obviously.
Finish it off stream.
Like tomorrow.
Oh.
But even though it looks small, but it's a lot. Like I don't expect people to actually eat that like that. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah.